This is a video for people that are kind of new to SolidWorks and haven't found out about the pitfalls of starting an assembly the wrong way. But before we get started, welcome to Sketch Model Build. Ready to dive into today's video? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more content on sketching designs, creating CAD models, and building techniques. Now let's get started. Thanks for your support. So let's create a assembly. I'm just going to go up here to New and start a completely empty assembly. And we're going to be doing this in the context of bottom-up modeling. That means that we're going to be taking the parts, and we've already made the parts. We're just going to be assembling them. So I'm going to start by opening this part 1 back. That's the first thing I'm going to put in here. So if I just go to the check mark up here, there it is. It's snapping the origin of this part to the origin of the assembly. You can't really see that. Let's click here and turn on origins so that we can see that. And if you see it there, it's clicking. That check mark is going to just center that part and fix it right at that origin every time. Another way to do this is by just hovering over that origin if you've unhit it. So I'm going to do that. I'll click there. The part is fixed, and if I look at the origin and the origin of the part, they are actually completely aligned. So if you're creating this base part for your assembly, you're going to want to think about where you're creating that origin so that when you do this process, you can actually put it in right the first time.